Hello everyone. In the last session we were up to the Hoffman degradation reaction in which simple amides are converted into the primary amine having one less carbon. So amide on treatment with the bromine and NaOH produces primary amine. So the example was propion amide in the presence of bromine and NaOH produces ethyl amine, and also tertiary butyl acetamide on treatment with the bromine and NaOH it produces neopentyl amine. Okay, so next reaction is Curtius reaction. So in this reaction our main aim is production of primary amine with the help of this acyl azide. So acyl azide means the formula having the RCON compound. So this acyl azide in the acidic or alkaline medium give us good yield of primary amine. So overall reaction proceed by the elimination of nitrogen from the acyl azide, and it yields the primary amine which contain one carbon less, and whole process is known as the Curtius degradation. So let's see the reaction. See, all of you see, this is the example of acyl azide RC double bond ON3. So this acyl azide in the acidic or alkaline medium, there is removal of nitrogen from this acyl azide takes place, and first it forms the alkyl isocyanate, and which on further hydrolysis produces the primary amine. So here is the reaction. Okay, so this is the acyl azide having C double bond ON3. So removal of nitrogen produces alkyl isocyanate, and which on further hydrolysis produces the primary amine. Now next reaction is from the chloramine and Grignard reagent. So everyone knows Grignard reagent. The general formula for the Grignard reagent is RMgX, which on treatment with the chloramine, the formula is ClNH3. In the presence of ether produces the primary amine along with the byproduct of magnesium chloride. So here we can see the reaction. Now, so whatever the chloramine required for the production of primary amine can be derived from the ammonia and sodium hypochlorite. So here is the reaction. This is the ammonia, this is the sodium hypochlorite NH3 plus sodium hypochlorite ClONa, and produces the chloramine NH3Cl along with the sodium hydroxide. So simple reaction of treatment of chloramine with Grignard reagent in the presence of ether produces RNH3. So this R from the Grignard reagent and NH3 from this chloramine along with remaining this MgCl, and this Cl produces MgCl2. Now next reaction is Ritter reaction. It is important method for preparing primary amines having a tertiary group. So tertiary butyl alcohol is reacted with the hydrogen cyanide in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to give the tertiary butyl amine. So with the help of Ritter reaction we can prepare the tertiary butyl amine. So for this production first we require the tertiary butyl alcohol and then H2SO4, that is the concentrated one, and second one is the hydrogen cyanide. So all these three reagents when react together there is production of tertiary butyl amine takes place. Okay, now next is the Gabriel synthesis. So in this Gabriel synthesis what happened? This is the structure of phthalimide, benzene ring, CONH, CONH. So when this phthalimide reacted with the potassium hydroxide, there is production of potassium phthalimide takes place. So what happened? See, whatever this hydrogen get replaced by this potassium, and it is formation of salt of phthalimide, that is the potassium phthalimide takes place. Now in the next step, this potassium phthalimide on treatment with the alkyl halide, there is production of N-alkyl phthalimide takes place. So see here, whatever this K get replaced by the X and removal of the KX takes place. Okay, so here in place of K, R goes and here is formation of NR new bond and the name of compound is N-alkyl phthalimide. So this N-alkyl phthalimide on further hydrolysis produces this well-known phthalic acid plus our final product, that is our aim product, primary amine. So this is the Gabriel synthesis. So let's revise once again. This is the structure of phthalimide. When treatment with the potassium hydroxide produces potassium phthalimide, which on further treatment with the alkyl halide, removal of the KX takes place along with the formation of N-alkyl phthalimide, which on further hydrolysis produces the phthalic acid plus primary amine. Okay, so these are 13 methods of preparation of aliphatic amine. So we have seen all the methods of preparation of the aliphatic amine. Okay, so our only remaining point is of basicity of amine and then structure and uses of the various compounds. Okay, so let's take a brief review of all the method. First reaction is reaction of alkyl halide, then reaction of alcohol with ammonia, then reduction of nitroalkane, reduction of amide, reduction of oximes of aldehyde and ketone, reduction of alkyl cyanide or nitrile, reductive amination of aldehyde and ketone, hydrolysis of isocyanide and isocyanates, Hoffman degradation. All of you listen, this is the very important reaction from your exam point of view, Hoffman degradation. Curtius reaction from chloramine and Grignard reagent, Ritter reaction, and last is Gabriel synthesis. Okay, so in the next session we will start with the basicity of amine. Okay, all of you must go through the PPT and study well. Okay, so thank you.